Alright, this is gonna be the convention center elevator at the Fairmont Pacific Rim in downtown Vancouver. Here's a cab view. Just kind of like the other cab, fairly nice, but this one has a red indicator on it. I think this is a Gen 2. Let's go to P2. Oh, this is parking. Yeah, this is Gen 2, definitely. P2.
Going up.
Going up. I'm just gonna imitate the voice. Alright, let's ring the bell.
Going up.
Okay. Let's go to G.
Ground floor.
Wow, that was fast.
Going down.
Looks like Series 3 buttons, but I'm not sure if this is a Series 4 or Series 3. I think Series 3.
2.
But they feel more pushy. The Series 3 buttons feel a bit different, usually. Alrighty.
Ground floor.
Wow, that's fast. Okay.
Going down.
And there it goes. That's it.